start tayo sa face diagonal. And then, so, start with the right foot. 1 and 2 and tapos 3, 4. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Next, from here, we go 5 and 6 and 7. Tapos from here, we do a passe. 8 on releve. Yes, 8. Okay. One more. 5. From here, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Push, 6. Push, 7, passe, 8. Tapos, pagbagsak niya dito, you do a pretzel using your right leg.
My favorite.
Yes, the pretzels.
The pretzels.
So, from here.
Episode 2 si ate
From episode 2 pa lang, nagpa-pretzel ka
By
na.
the end of the season, expert na.
Expert pretzel. Yes.
The pretzel queen.
Oh my God.
So, from here, pretzel tayo using the right, going to the back. So, go.
Alright.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we stand on 4. And then, next. From here, yung step natin ay cha, cha, cha. Yeah. Ang hands natin ay mag-open lang siya. Open, open. So, mag-pretzel tayo ng 7, 8. Pretzel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we do a passe again. 7. 7, and then step left, and then step right, and. So, that's a 7, 8, and. Yes. So, let's try from here, after pretzel. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and. Yeah. Let's try from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, passe, 8, and 1. Pretzel 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and next.
Okay.
From here,
Nag-struggle ako because of the liftings.
Liftings. Oh.
It's my, like, this is my first time na, like, maraming liftings. Super. Dito ako nakakabuhat talaga ng sobrang dami.
Oo.
Di ba?
Yeah. Oy, actually. Ako kasi sanay ako sa lifting. Ako yung nililift.
Wow, sana all. Ako hirap ako mag-lift eh.
Yeah, kaya I turn right na lang.
Kaya ako ngayon, kain ako ng kain. To gain weight, and then build some muscles.
Tama yan.
Lagi na lang kasi ako pinapagalitan nila Ate Sugar.
Oh, actually kami, we always tell Jiro to eat something or we just ask kung kumain na ba siya. We just make sure na may energy lagi para pag nag-rehearse, mayroon tayong huhugutan na source of power. Parang battery lang, kailangan i-charge. Diba?
Yeah, just ngayon nagreklamo sila dahil dami ko ng energy.
Ay, ako gusto ko yun, bet ko yun, para sa lifting. It's for me, advantageous.
so si Jazz, na-experience na ma-lift at mag-lift.
Yes.
Di ba? So,
Sino binuhat mo, ate?
Si Denise.
so ayan.
Pati yung dance battle.
Anong pointers mo kay Jiro?
Confidence sa hawak. No second guessing. And if alanganin, wag ituloy.
Yes.
Call it off first. So
Yeah.
maraming kaming times ni Denise noon na
Na ganun.
parang mamark muna namin, tapos pa-perfect muna namin yung lift bago namin gawin na full out sa run.
Yeah.
Para walang injury.
Yeah.
And
Very important.
yeah.
One thing pa, ang alam ko, trust the one na bubuhat.
Yes.
Actually, you trust each other.
Each other.
Yeah.
Trust mo yung binubuhat mo, tapos yung binubuhat mo, ito trust ka din niya.
Na ma-execute.
Tapos lagi kayong mag-uusap dapat.
Yeah.
If kunyari sa run, wag muna natin gawin or gawin natin para clear siya yung communication.
Yeah.
Para walang aksidente.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung ayaw natin mangyari. Yeah? Kasi isa lang yung body mo. Paano pag, di ba?
only instrument.
Hirap, mahirap. Pakita natin yung yung mga complicated lifts for this piece.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
so
this pairing.
yung start natin. So Jiro, can you come here in front?
Kawawa ako dito.
Tapos,
Kapan ako.
just sa likod. Yung ano na to, patakbo siya dapat, pero wag muna natin gawin
Okay
yung
po.
patakbo. From here. So, Jiro, hips, hold the hips dito.
Ande.
Sige lang.
Yes. And then yung isa sa ilalim, sa legs. There. Tapos ang gagawin mo lang, if i-flip mo siya, tapos sasakay siya dito sa shoulder. Okay?
Ang ending.
Yes. And then just hold lang yung shoulder and then kick to flip. Tapos pag naramdaman mo nasa taas ka na, you have to arch. Yes. Okay, let's try. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. And up. Good. And then bababa ka dito sa other part of the ano.
Okay.
And then leg down, hug lang. Yes.
Okay.
Yun. Yes, pero yung legs lang, dapat isa-isa siya. Yeah.
Para magandang tingnan.
So yung count niya ay 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down na ng 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so try natin.
Alright.
Sige, again, yung placement ng hand. Tapos, kick ka lang just pataas.
Right kick, push.
Yes, right. Sige. Tapos ikaw, Jiro.
Do I push yung...
Yes. Push mo yung leg. Para ikaw yung magpapa-flip sa kanya.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Ayun. Okay. Sige, down muna. Down muna. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
okay, it's okay.
So dapat, yung legs mo just, pag napunta siya sa likod, mag-arch ka agad tapos tighten your legs para maganda yung buhat. Yeah. Don't dangle your legs.
Okay,
ha?
pa.
Para, yeah.
Parang kung
Parang, yes. Parang Superman.
Okay po.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Okay, try it again.
5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Okay. Wait lang. Tight. Lock your knees. Yan. Okay, down muna. Down sa likod muna. Down sa likod.
Sorry. Okay lang ba?
Sige, shake muna. Shake. Tapos yung dismount niya lang, so nakaakyat na, no? Yung dismount lang, just lock your knees. And
Lock knees.
point your toes always. And then, isa-isang leg.
Pagka bumaba po ako.
Yes.
Tama.
Tapos you're going sa other side ng... Your head goes here sa other side.
Okay.
Yes, tas hug mo lang siya. Tas go. Okay? So let's try the whole sequence.
Alright.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 5, 6. Yun lang. Naka-bend.
Naka-bend siya.
Yeah, so
Okay.
dapat
Straight.
para siyang, para kang nag-cartwheel pababa. Yeah.
Okay.
Last one.
Kaya?
Last one. Ready? Feeling ko kaya na to.
Kaya.
Ready?
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, and up. And good. And down. Leg.
Naka-bend pa rin.
Bend pa rin.
Naka-bend pa rin.
So,
Okay lang ate, parang may tumulong din.
Stretch ka ba?
nakapag-arch ka naman.